First tutorial of video player series. In this tutorial we will create splash screen activity and also we will get storage access from user. So let's start by creating new project. Click on create new project, select empty activity, next. Write the name of app video player, select the language Java, and API will be 16 Jelly Bean. That will run our app on 99.8% devices. Click on finish. So as you can see, our project is created. So first of all we have to create splash screen activity. For that, right click on this package, new activity. We will create empty activity, name it as splash screen activity. Click finish. Splash screen is actually an initial screen when user opens the app. It usually shows the logo or a company name, but we will show the logo of app. So first of all we have to create a theme for splash screen. For that, open resource folder, values, themes, and open first one theme.xml file. Copy this style, paste here, and rename as splash theme. And one more thing, change dark action bar to no action bar, because we would not want action bar on splash activity. Right here, create one more item, select window background, and name as splash background. As we have not created yet, that's why it got red. So copy this splash background, right click on drawable, create drawable file, paste here, and click OK. So if you check the description of this video, I have given a download link for all the icons used in the app. So after downloading the file, right click on this file, extract here. Here you will find video player folder. Open the video player folder. First of all, open drawable folder and copy all the icons, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and paste in drawable folder, Ctrl V. You have to paste in drawable folder, not drawable V24 folder. In drawable folder, click OK. Now open mipmap folder, copy these two icons and paste in mipmap folder, Ctrl V in this folder. So here, change selector to layer list, create item, shape, solid for background. Let's say I give the color white for background. Down this item, create another item for bitmap, get source. So here we will get the path of this VP splash, that is in the mipmap folder, @mipmap slash VP splash. Give gravity as center. So after creating this splash background XML file, we have to set this in manifest file. Down here, first of all change it to splash screen activity, because we want splash screen activity at first when user opens the app. Here, main activity, give splash screen activity a theme at style / splash theme. So we have done with the XML code. Let's start the Java code. Open splash screen activity.java file. Down here, new handler dot post delete. Create a override a runnable method. Here we will use intent for navigating this activity to another activity, that will be allow access activity, where we will get the storage access from user. So first we will create the allow access activity. Select empty activity. Allow access activity, click finish. Here we will create the intent. Start activity, new intent, splash screen activity dot this to allow access. To allow access activity dot class. Down here we have to use finish, so user cannot go back to previous activity by using back button. Here we have to assign the seconds for splash activity. Give it 3000 milliseconds, that equals to 3 seconds. So after this, open allow activity where we have done with splash screen activity. After this, we will create design for allow access activity. Open allow access activity XML file. Here change it to relative layout. We also have to give a color that will be used in allow access XML file. Open color file, Control D, change it to allow access or allow color. Here assign the color. Give the orientation as vertical and background color will be allow color. Padding, let's say 20 dp for now. Here first of all we will take image view. Let's say I give width and height 170 dp. Also give ID, that will be allow icon. Source variable allow access. Give margin top 10 dp and center horizontal will be 2. So after that we will create a text view. With wrap, height and width wrap. Give the ID as text1, ID as text1. Layout will be below the allow icon. Text size will be 30 sp. Give gravity as center and margin top will be 10 dp. Text, for now give only text. Text color will be Android white. Center horizontal true. Create one more text view. Wrap, give it ID as text 2. Text as empty for now. Let's say we write text 2. Text color will again white. Padding will be 10 dp. Text size will be 20 sp. Gravity center and center horizontal will be true. Layout below ID text 1. This layout will be below this text. So after this, at last we have to create one button. Let's say I give the width for 100 dp and height as wrap content. Text allow access. Center horizontal will be true. Align parent bottom also true. Text all caps true and margin bottom will be 20 dp. Text color white. So now last we have to give ID as allow access. Now we have to assign click listener on this button. Open this allow access activity.java file and here create button object. Allow btn. Allocate the memory by assigning id r.id.allow access. Allow btn dot set on click listener, new on click listener. Here we will show a toast. Allow access. So now let's check the splash screen activity and run our app. Splash background. Our icon is not showing. I think we did some mistake. Open bitmap folder. We have to delete both these icons and we will again copy these icons and paste in bitmap folder. You have to paste in this folder, not in v26 folder, in this folder. Yes, now our icon is showing. One more thing we have to do is manifest in manifest file. Right here, map VP icon. We have to set the icon of our app, VP icon. So let's run the app and check the splash screen and XML of allow-access activity. I'm not checking this app on emulator. This is physical device. So as you can see, our app is installed. Open the app. You can see this splash screen icon is showing for 3 seconds, and next is allow access activity, and here we have to click on allow access, and here you can see allow access toast. So that's all for this tutorial. We will meet in the next tutorial. Until then, Allah Hafiz.